Nothing beats the cool, crisp crunch of a freshly picked cucumber. They are incredibly versatile in the kitchen. You can enjoy them in salads, sandwiches, or even infused water. But did you know that cucumbers are surprisingly easy to grow at home? Growing your own cucumbers is a rewarding experience. You can enjoy the freshest produce right from your garden. Whether you have a large backyard or a small balcony, there's a cucumber variety for you. Cucumbers are a delight to grow. Their vibrant green vines and delicate yellow flowers add beauty to any garden. With a little care and attention, you can enjoy a bountiful harvest of these refreshing vegetables. Cucumbers thrive in warm, sunny locations. These plants are sun lovers and need plenty of light to grow well. The sun not only helps them grow but also enhances the flavor of the cucumbers, making them more delicious and nutritious. Choose a spot in your garden that receives at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight each day. This is essential because cucumbers need a lot of energy from the sun to photosynthesize and produce fruit. Without adequate sunlight, the plants may become weak and produce fewer cucumbers. This ensures that your cucumbers have enough energy to grow strong and produce an abundance of fruit. A sunny location will help the plants develop robust vines and healthy leaves, which are crucial for supporting the growth of the cucumbers. The more sunlight they get, the more productive they will be. Well-drained soil is crucial for healthy cucumber plants. Good drainage prevents water from accumulating around the roots, which can lead to root rot and other diseases. It's important to prepare your soil properly to ensure it drains well. These vegetables are susceptible to root rot if the soil remains waterlogged. Root rot can severely damage the plants, reducing their ability to absorb nutrients and water. This can stunt their growth and reduce the yield of cucumbers. Before planting, amend your soil with compost or well-rotted manure to improve drainage and provide essential nutrients. Compost adds organic matter to the soil, which helps retain moisture while also improving drainage. Well-rotted manure is rich in nutrients that cucumbers need to grow. Cucumbers prefer slightly acidic soil with a pH between 6.0 and 6.5. The right pH level ensures that the plants can absorb nutrients effectively. If the soil is too acidic or too alkaline, the plants may struggle to take up the nutrients they need. You can test your soil's pH using a simple soil testing kit. These kits are easy to use and can give you a good idea of your soil's pH level. Knowing the pH of your soil can help you make the necessary adjustments to create the ideal growing conditions for your cucumbers. If necessary, amend the soil with lime to raise the pH or sulfur to lower it. Lime can help neutralize acidic soil, making it more suitable for cucumber plants. On the other hand, sulfur can help lower the pH of alkaline soil, creating a more favorable environment for the plants to thrive. You can start cucumber seeds indoors, which is a great way to get a jump on the growing season. By starting seeds indoors, you can control the environment, ensuring the seeds have the best possible conditions to germinate and grow strong. This method is particularly useful in regions with shorter growing seasons or unpredictable weather. Alternatively, you can sow them directly into the garden. This method is often preferred by gardeners in warmer climates where the soil temperature is already conducive to seed germination. Direct sowing can be less labor-intensive and allows the plants to establish themselves in their permanent location from the start. If starting indoors, sow the seeds in peat pots or seed trays 4 to 6 weeks before the last expected frost. Using peat pots is beneficial because they can be planted directly into the garden, reducing transplant shock. Seed trays, on the other hand, allow you to start many seeds in a small space and are easy to manage. This gives your cucumber plants a head start and allows you to extend the growing season. Early indoor sowing means your plants will be ready to produce fruit sooner, giving you a longer period to enjoy fresh cucumbers. Plus, it can help you avoid some early season pests and diseases. When all danger of frost has passed and the soil has warmed, it's time to transplant your seedlings or sow seeds directly into the garden. Make sure the soil temperature is at least 60 degrees Fahrenheit, 15 degrees Celsius, for optimal growth. Transplanting should be done carefully to avoid damaging the young plant's roots. Choose a cloudy day or late afternoon to plant to prevent the young plants from wilting in the sun. Planting during these times reduces stress on the plants, giving them a better chance to establish themselves without the harsh midday sun. Plant cucumber seeds about 1 inch deep and 12 to 18 inches apart. This depth ensures the seeds are well covered and protected, while the spacing allows each plant enough room to grow without competing for resources. Space rows 3 to 4 feet apart to allow for ample air circulation and easy access for harvesting. Proper spacing is crucial for preventing diseases and ensuring that each plant gets enough sunlight and nutrients. Water the seeds gently but thoroughly after planting. Consistent moisture is key to successful germination and early growth. Be careful not to overwater, as this can lead to rot or fungal issues. Regular, gentle watering will help your cucumber plants thrive from the very beginning. Cucumbers are thirsty plants, especially during the fruiting stage. Water them deeply and regularly, aiming for about 1 inch of water per week. Water at the base of the plants to avoid wetting the leaves, which can encourage fungal diseases. To ensure consistent moisture levels, consider using a soaker hose or drip irrigation system. This delivers water directly to the roots, minimizing evaporation and keeping the leaves dry. Mulching around your cucumber plants helps retain soil moisture and suppresses weed growth. Use organic mulch like straw, wood chips, or shredded leaves to improve soil fertility as it decomposes. Section 5. Feeding your cucumber plants. Cucumbers are heavy feeders and benefit from regular fertilization. Before planting, incorporate a balanced granular fertilizer into the soil. This provides the plants with the nutrients they need to establish strong roots and healthy foliage. Once your cucumber plants start to vine, begin feeding them every 2 to 3 weeks with a liquid fertilizer high in nitrogen and potassium. These nutrients promote vigorous growth and abundant fruit production. Avoid over-fertilizing your cucumber plants, as this can lead to excessive foliage growth at the expense of fruit production. Always follow the instructions on your chosen fertilizer product. Section 6. Training your cucumber vines to trellis or not to trellis. This is a question many gardeners face when planning their cucumber patch. The decision can significantly impact the health and productivity of your plants. Trellising your cucumber plants offers several benefits that can make your gardening experience more rewarding and efficient. One of the primary advantages of using a trellis is that it saves space in the garden. This is especially beneficial for those with limited gardening areas, allowing you to maximize your yield in a compact space. Additionally, trellising improves air circulation around the plants, which is crucial for preventing fungal diseases and promoting healthy growth. Better airflow can lead to stronger, more resilient plants. Trellising also keeps the fruit off the ground, which is a significant advantage. When cucumbers are elevated, they are less likely to come into contact with soil-borne pathogens. This reduces the risk of rot and pest damage, ensuring that your cucumbers remain healthy and unblemished. Pests like slugs and snails are less likely to reach the fruit when it is off the ground. If you choose to trellis your cucumbers, it's important to plan ahead. Install sturdy supports before planting to avoid disturbing the roots later on. You can use a variety of materials for your trellis, depending on what you have available and your garden's aesthetic. Options include stakes, cages, or trellises made from wood, metal, or even repurposed materials. Each type has its own benefits and can be chosen based on your specific needs. For instance, wooden stakes are easy to install and blend well with natural garden settings, while metal cages provide robust support for heavier vines. As your cucumber vines grow, gently tie them to the supports. This helps guide their growth and prevents them from sprawling on the ground. Use soft twine or garden clips to avoid damaging the delicate vines. Regularly check and adjust the ties to accommodate the plant's growth. However, not all cucumber varieties require trellising. Bush varieties, as their name suggests, have a more compact growth habit. These types of cucumbers are ideal for small gardens or container gardening, as they do not need the vertical space that vining varieties do. Bush cucumber plants can be grown successfully without support, making them a low-maintenance option for gardeners who prefer a simpler setup. Whether you choose to trellis or not, understanding the needs of your cucumber variety will help you achieve a bountiful harvest. Section 7. Keeping pests and diseases at bay. Cucumbers are susceptible to several pests and diseases. Inspect your plants regularly for signs of trouble. Early detection is key to preventing widespread problems. Common cucumber pests include cucumber beetles, aphids, and spider mites. You can control these pests using insecticidal soap, neem oil, or by introducing beneficial insects like ladybugs to your garden. Powdery mildew and downy mildew are fungal diseases that can affect cucumbers. To prevent these diseases, ensure good air circulation around your plants by spacing them properly and avoiding overhead watering. Section 8. Harvesting your bountiful crop. Cucumbers are ready to harvest approximately 60 to 70 days after planting, depending on the variety. Harvest cucumbers regularly to encourage continued fruit production. Pick cucumbers when they are firm, shiny, and bright green. Avoid letting them become overly mature, as this can make them bitter and seedy. Use a sharp knife or pruning shears to cut the cucumbers from the vine. After harvesting your cucumbers, store them in the refrigerator. They will stay fresh and crisp for up to a week. Section 9. Savoring the fruits and vegetables of your labor. Growing your own cucumbers is a rewarding experience. Not only do you get to enjoy the freshest, most flavorful produce, but you also get the satisfaction of knowing exactly where your food came from. From refreshing salads to thirst-quenching infused water, the possibilities for enjoying your homegrown cucumbers are endless. Experiment with different recipes and discover your favorite ways to savor the fruits and vegetables of your labor. So why wait? Start your own cucumber garden today and experience the joy of growing your own food.